Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I am not able to make a YouTube video today, so I thought I'd create a short video just to kind of speak all things Agile like I normally would do. But I think today I want to speak about something that has become a concern and something that I know that is bothering quite a number of people. I've heard from quite a few people that it's become somewhat difficult to get jobs, and a few people are feeling very discouraged and they think maybe they need to go find the next thing to do. And every time I hear that, I always smile, because at the end of the day, this is life. Anything you're trying to accomplish in life will sometimes take time. Now, I understand that everybody's story is going to be different. There will be people who get jobs quicker than others, but I want you who is yet to get a job to hang in there. Always remember your why. Why did you try to go into this field in the first place? What is that thing that this job, this career will do for you? Once you're able to find your why, you will be able to hang on a little longer, because at the end of the day, there is light at the end of the tunnel. So don't be discouraged about, the number of rejections that you've received. Just stay strong, hang in there. You will get your job. And in the meantime, keep learning, keep reading. And if you're yet to sign up to my program, ensure you do so, because registration is going to be closing really soon.